Hello and welcome to today's daily message. Today I'd like to offer just a brief reflection on these couple of verses from today's liturgy reading from the book of the prophet Isaiah, chapter 26. It says, "Trust in the Lord forever, for the Lord is an eternal rock. He humbles those in high places, and the lofty city he brings down. He tumbles it to the ground, levels it with the dust. It is trampled underfoot by the needy, by the footsteps of the poor." This is a theme that appears often in the scriptures, and it is one that is picked up especially by the author of the Gospel of Luke. That when God enters the world, the normalcy of the world is turned on its head. In other words, God is calling us not just to accept what goes on in the world, but to change the world. That is part of our mission as followers of God and followers of Christ. We're here to undo the normalcy of the world in which we live. And so the normalcy of our world all too often is violence. In the midst of that, we are called to make peace. The normalcy of our world has so much to do with division. We are called to bring unity. The normalcy of our world involves prejudice and discrimination. We are called to bring equality. The normalcy of our world involves injustice and oppression. It is our call to bring justice to the world. In a world in which there is so much deceit, we are called to bring truth. And in a world in which there is so much self-serving, we are called to serve others, especially the poor and those particularly in need. And so I offer that as a reflection, not just for the season of Advent, but as a reflection on our call as Christians every day of our lives. Thank you so much for watching and listening today.